Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, ay magkakaroon tayo ng tutorial regarding sa mathematics as requested by my sister, Maria Cristina Canlas. At syempre, si Maria Elena Canlas at yung pinakapayat nila na si Maria Teresa Canlas. So, dito sa video na ito guys, ang pag-uusapan natin is about sa quadratic equation, no? So dito sa quadratic equation, we will always solve for the value of x. Pero but there are times na hindi na natin binibigyan ng halaga si x, lalo na't alam mo sa sarili mo na siya yung unang nang iwan.
Pipilayan ko yung mukha mo eh.
Okay guys, so let's start guys, no? So, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon guys is about sa quadratic equation. So, una sa lahat, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng quadratic equation? So, dito sa example ko guys, okay, so these are quadratic equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. So, pag sinabi natin quadratic equation, so there's only one variable involved. And the highest exponent of x is 2.
Nagulo ang English niyan! Sasapakin ko yan!
Okay. So, yan ay quadratic equation. Okay. Kaya kung titingnan mo dito sa ating equation 1 and equation 2, there's only one variable at ang highest exponent ng x natin is 2. And then dito sa 3 guys, kung mapapansin nyo, siyang exponent na 2. So, dito sa kabila guys, we have the 21 all over x. Okay, so para mawala ito guys, para mawala yung x, i-multiply natin siya both sides. Okay, by x. Alright, kaya ito makakancel ito guys, no? X times x, so that is x squared minus 4x is equal to 21. Okay, so these are the example of quadratic equation. So bakit siya naging quadratic equation? Kasi there's only one variable involved at ang highest exponent ng variable natin na x is 2. Okay? So, that is the meaning of quadratic equation.
Dito to yan.
Okay. So, dito sa quadratic equation, guys, we are going to solve for the value of x. Value natin dito, ang tawag dyan, guys, is roots. Okay. At lagi yung tatandaan, guys, dito sa quadratic equation natin, we have two value of x. Okay? So, yan yung tinatawag natin x1 and x2. In solving for the value of x, so gagamit tayo ng mga methods na napag-aralan natin before, no? Which we have the quadratic formula. Okay? Quadratic formula. We have the completing the square. Completing the square. And by factoring. Okay. So, itong quadratic formula na ito, guys, yung gagamitin mo, okay, that is the first method para makuha mo ang value ng x. Okay, and that quadratic formula states that the value of x is equal to the negative b plus or minus the b square minus 4ac all over 2a.
Oh, ang gulo na naman! Ang gulo magsalita eh! Hindi maintindihan ano ba sinabi?
So, yan ang sinasabi ng quadratic formula. So, ano ba tong A, ano ba tong B, ano ba tong C? Okay. So, A and B and C are the numerical coefficient ng quadratic equation natin. So, like for example, dito sa first equation natin. Sa first equation natin, we have x squared is equal to 3 minus 2x, diba? So, ang gagawin natin dyan guys muna, no? We have to make the right side equal to 0. So, ang ibig sabihin yan guys, so this is the left side, this is the right side. Dito sa right side natin dapat, equate mo yan into 0. So, ibig sabihin, palilipatin mo itong lahat dito sa left side. Okay, so gawin natin guys. We have the x squared. Okay, so bahay niya yan. Ito, lilipat siya doon. Okay, so, ang sign nito is negative 2x, magiging positive 2x. Okay, ito naman, lilipat siya, positive 3, dito, lilipat mo siya dito, magiging negative 3, okay, is equal to 0. So, nasan ba yung A, nasan bang B, and nasan ang C? Okay, ang A natin dito guys, automatically, kapag walang kasama itong literal coefficient mo, that is equal to 1. Alright? Ibig sabihin guys, itong x squared mo, tsaka itong 2x, ano man ang kasama ng number o ng numerical coefficient, ang tawag dyan ay literal coefficient. So, meaning to say,
Dos por dos kita.
x squared and x are the literal coefficient. Alright? Kung sino ang kasama ng literal coefficient mo, yan yung numerical coefficient. Okay? This equation guys, ang a natin is equal to 1, ang b natin is equal to 2, at ang constant natin na c is equal sa negative 3. Okay? Okay. Then, the next method is by completing the square. Actually guys, itong completing the square guys is galing ito sa ano, itong completing the square guys, dito natin nakuha yung quadratic formula.
Sabi sa inyo, magulo pa usap.
Okay, next is factoring. So, pag sinabi natin factoring guys, we are going to solve for the factors. So, meaning to say guys, kung kukuha tayo ng factors, okay, itong x squared ko pala, okay, so galing sa first equation natin, x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Ito pala yung product ko. Okay? So, kasi, kukuha tayo ng factors kung saan kapag pinag-multiply mo itong dalawang factors na ito, ang sagot is x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, meaning to say, this is the product. Okay? Okay. So, dito sa tatlong method na to guys, medyo mahirapan tayo dito guys sa factoring. Kasi dito sa factoring kasi guys, trial and error po ito, no? So, ibig sabihin ng trial and error, mag-iisip tayo ng dalawang numbers kung saan yung dalawang numbers na yun, kapag pinag-multiply mo is ganito siya, at tapos pag pinag-add mo yung inner tsaka yung outer, dapat ganito siya.
Oh, ang gulo na naman, ang gulo magsalita eh. Hindi maintindihan, ano ba sinabi?
Okay, but anyway, tuturo ko sa inyo yung pinaka-simple na paraan, okay, para makuha mo ang factoring to solve for the value of x. Alright? Okay. So, mag-start muna tayo by using the quadratic formula. Okay? So, let us solve for the value of x by using the quadratic formula. And this is the quadratic formula, guys. Okay? So, the value of x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? Sasubstitute lang naman natin yan, guys, no? So, for the value of x. Okay? So, gawin natin, guys. So, but before that, guys, kailangan nito, guys, yung kanina, from the first equation natin, kailangan gawin mo muna ito na kung saan yung right side mo is equal to 0. No? Okay, so ilagay natin dito guys, no? Okay lang ba? Okay, so x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So galing ito sa equation number 1 natin guys, no? Okay, now, substitute na po natin yan guys, no? So what is, so that is negative, what is b? So b is 2. Okay, plus and minus the square root of what is b? So 2. So that is 2 square minus 4 times a. What is a? 1. Okay, kung wala mang kasamang a squared mo, that's automatically equal to 1. Okay, then times c. What is c? So c is negative 3. Okay? Okay guys, so whatever the operation dito guys, dapat isama mo yan as sign ng numerical coefficient mo. Alright? All over 2 times a. What is a? 1. Okay, yan. Diba? Okay? So, negative 2 plus or minus. Okay? So, b squared, 2 squared is equal to 4. Okay? Minus. Okay? So, that is the operation guys, ha? So, the operation is subtraction. Okay? So, minus. Okay? So, lagyan natin ng cross parenthesis dito, guys. Kasi ang operation mo is subtraction. Alright? Then, multiply mo ito. 4 times 1 times negative 3. The answer is 4 times... Yun. So, we have negative 12.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
Okay? So, para siya naging negative 12, guys, no? So, huwag mong pansinin ito, no? Naka-cross parenthesis yan. Nakaganyan yan. So, yan. So, 4 times negative. Okay, so in multiplication having a different sign, so the answer is negative. Negative, then the number. Okay? Okay. Now, so punta tayo dito, times 2, 1, so 2. Alright? Okay, so erasing ko muna to guys ha. Okay lang ba? Erasing ko muna yan guys. Ayan na no. So, x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus. Okay, so ito guys ha. Tingnan nyo mabuti ito guys ha. So, the operation is subtraction. Okay, according to the rules of the algebra, okay, kung ito ay minus, dapat whatever the sign doon sa kasunod nito, dapat papalitan mo. Okay? So ito, pag pinalitan mo ito, dito yung ibig sabihin guys, no? Kapag subtraction yan, palitan mo yan, then palitan mo din to. So ang mangyayari dyan, magiging 4 plus 12 na lang siya. Tama? So, magiging 4 plus 12. Okay, so tanggalin natin ito guys, so para hindi siya nakakalito. So 4 plus 12 all over 2. Okay, malinaw ba guys? Pasensya na kung medyo malabo guys, no? Okay, so negative 2 plus or minus, so 4 plus 2 is equal to 16. So 16 divided by 2. Okay, what is the square root of 16? So square root of 16. Okay, so we have negative 2 plus or minus square root of 16 is equal to 4 all over 2. Okay? Okay, so dalawang operation natin dito guys, no? Plus and minus. So punta muna tayo sa minus, no? Ay sa plus. So negative 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, so unlike sign, negative and positive, so ang gagawin mo dyan is i-subtract mo. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So kung sino man yung mataas dyan, kung ano man yung mataas dyan na number, yun ang sundin mo na sign. So mataas is 4, what is the sign of 4? Positive. Therefore, the answer is positive 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Ayan. So this is the first value of x. So gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, dalawa ang value ng x natin dito guys, no? Kasi meron pa tayong negative. Okay? Okay, so isulat na natin dito, x is equal to 1. Alright. Now, punta naman tayo sa minus guys. Okay, punta tayo sa minus, no? Yan. Punta tayo sa minus guys, negative minus 4. Okay. So according to the algebra guys, like sign, i-add mo whatever the common sign, then yun ang sundin mo. Okay, so like sign, negative 4 and negative 2, pag-a-addin, okay, 6. Then what is the common sign? Negative, so that is negative 6 divided by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2, that is negative 3. So the value of x are 1 and negative 3. Okay, so we have x is equal to 1 and x is equals to negative 3. So these are the values of x. Alright? Okay. Ngayon, ganito ang ibig sabihin naman yan guys, no? Itong value ng x natin guys, it should satisfy the given equation.
Nagulo ang English niyan! Sasapakin ko yan!
Okay? So, i-check natin kung tama ba yung nakuha mo na value ng x. Paano ba malalaman? Then, i-substitute mo ito dito. Okay? Balik tayo dito guys. So, i-substitute natin guys, no? So, from the first equation, okay, from the first equation guys, from the first equation, okay, what is x? So, punta muna tayo dito sa at x is equals to 1. At x is equals to 1. Okay, so yan ang gagamitin natin na value ng x. Kasi nga, dalawa nga ang value ng x guys, no? So, at x is equals to 1, so i-substitute mo lang yan. So, 1, so what? 1 square, okay, equal sa 3 minus 2 times 1. Okay, so 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 times 1 equal to 2. Then 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, ibig sabihin, tama nga yung nakuha natin na value ng x. Next, tignan din natin itong pangalawang value ng x kung magkatama nga siya, no? So, x squared. So, negative 3. Okay? Squared. Okay? So, dito sa second value ng x natin, we have negative 3. Okay, so negative 3 squared equal to 3 minus 2 times negative 3. Malinaw po ba guys? Malinaw, no? So, value of x squared equals to 3 minus the operation minus 2 times the value of x, negative 3. Okay? So, negative 3 squared, the answer is positive 9, no? So, bakit siya naging positive 9? Kasi, positive 9. Alright? Ganun lang kasi.
Dos por dos kita.
Okay, guys. Okay, so 3. Okay. Tignan nyo ito guys ha. Minus, ang operation mo, minus. Sagutan mo muna ito guys. 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. Okay? Okay. Ang operation mo, according to the algebra, whatever the operation here, or if the operation is subtraction, kailangan palitan mo ito, and then palitan mo din yung sign na susunod. Okay, so palitan natin ito, palitan natin yan. So magiging 9 is equal sa 3 plus 6 na. Okay, so 9 is equal to 9. So ibig sabihin, tama nga yung nakuha natin na value ng x.
Di totoo yan.
Ng pangalawa. Okay? Okay. So, dito tayo guys. So malinaw na to guys ha. Tatanungin ko kayo guys, no? Ang negative 3 squared ba? Parehas ba sa negative 3 squared? Parehas ba sila ng value? Okay? So, negative 3 squared. Tapos, negative 3 na may close parenthesis, tapos in-squared mo. Parehas ba ng value yan, guys? Okay, no? So, hindi magpaparehas ng value yan, guys, no? Kasi dito kasi guys, ang in-square mo lang dyan guys is 3. Okay, so what is the square of 3? That is 9 times negative. So that is negative 9. Okay, dito ang in-square mo is negative 3, yung buong negative 3, therefore the answer is positive 9. Okay? Okay. Okay, now, let us now go to completing the square. Okay, now, completing the square. So, by using the completing the square, guys, gagamitin natin itong value ng x na 1 and negative 3. Okay? What I mean to say is, dapat mapalabas natin ang value na x is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative 3 by using the completing the square. Okay? Okay. So, dito sa completing the square, guys, kailangan gawin mong 0 yung right side natin. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin natin guys, i-accumulate natin itong lahat doon sa left side. Alright? So, dito, from this equation, we have the x squared. We have the x squared. Okay? Plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Alright? So, by using the completing the square guys, no? So, second method na tayo guys, no? Completing the square. Completing the square. Okay, dito sa completing the square guys, gagawa tayo ng factors na perfect square. So by completing the square, ang gagawin lang natin yan guys, since alam naman natin na hindi ito perfect square, no? Hindi ito perfect square. Paano ko nasabi na hindi siya perfect square guys? Kasi ganito, no? What is the square root of x squared? X. What is the square root of negative 3? Or what is the square root of 3? Is it perfect square or not? Of course, hindi, no? Kaya nga natin gagamitan ng completing the square. Okay? So, mamaya, di-discuss ko nyo kung ano ba ibig kong sabihin na completing the square, no? Okay, dito na tayo. So, by completing the square, guys, ang constant, ilalagay mo yan doon sa right side. Okay, ganun lagi yan, no? Lahat ng constant ilagay mo sa right side. Malinaw po ba? Okay, so malinaw ha. Okay, so x squared plus 2x. Okay, gagawin ko itong, yan, nilipat ko siya, no? X squared plus 2x. So, from negative, naging positive kasi nilipat ko nga siya, equal to 3. Okay, and the second step, guys, so gagawin na natin itong perfect square, no? So, paano ba ang discard dyan para magawa natin siya na perfect square? So, ang gagawin natin dyan, guys, kunin mo agad ang 1/2 ng b. What is b? 2. Okay? Kukunin ko ang 1/2 nito. Okay, ganito na ang gawin natin, no? So, x squared plus 2x, then, plus, kukunin ko ang 1/2 ng b. What is b? That is 2. Okay? 1/2 ng 2. Alright? Then, square. Malinaw po ba, guys? Okay, so ganun lagi yan. Ano ba yung 1/2? Saan yung nakuha yung 1/2? Okay, ang 1/2 constant na yan, guys, no? So, kukunin mo ang 1/2 nitong b, kasi ito yung a natin, di ba? Ito yung a, b, and c. So, kukunin mo ang 1/2 ng b. Alright, pagkakuha mo ng 1/2 ng b, then squared mo. Okay, so ito na yon. Okay. So, kung ano man yung inad mo dito, guys, kung ano man yung inad mo dito, kasi nga inad mo nga siya ng ganyan, no? Yun din ang i-add mo dito sa kabila, no? So, 3 is equals to, so ano mo bang sagot dito? So, 1/2 times 2, 1 square 1. Okay? Okay? So, ito, this is equal to 1. Alright? So, that is 1. Okay? So, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Now, tapos na tayo gumamit ng completing the square. Therefore, ito ay perfect square na yan, guys. Okay, so paano ko siya paano ba natin nasabi na perfect square yan, guys? Kasi ganito yan, no? What is the square root of x squared? That is x. What is the square root of 1? That is 1. Okay? What is the operation of the middle term? Plus. Okay? Then, sinabi kong perfect square siya kasi lagyan ko siya ng square dito. So, to check whether it is a perfect square or not, ganito lang ang pag-check yan, guys, no? And what is the square of x? That is x squared. Tama? Okay, oh. So, what is the square of 1? Is it equal to 1? Yes, tama nga, no? And how about the middle term? Okay, so ang middle term, ganito lang pakuha dyan sa middle term, guys, no? Okay, itong second term natin, kaya makukuha yan by multiplying the first and second term by 2. Okay, so 2 times x times 1 is equal to 2x. Okay, so equal nga sa 2x. So, ibig sabihin, meron na tayong perfect square.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
Okay? And this is equal to positive 4. Alright? And then, since alam na natin na perfect square yan, guys, get the square root of both sides. Okay? Get the square root of both sides. Ayan. So, in getting the square root of the binomial having an exponent of 2, i-cancel mo lang ito, guys. So, ito, tanggalin mo lang ito. Okay? Tanggalin mo lang din yan. Magkakancel yung dalawang yan, okay? O, so, matitira dyan is x plus 1. Okay, what is the square root of 4? So, dalawang value niyan. Kasi nga, we are solving for the square root. Now, kung kumukuha ka ng square root, so, there are always two value. Okay? Okay, we have the positive and we have also the negative. Okay, so the answer is positive 2 and negative 2. Alright? Okay, punta tayo dito. So, we are asked to solve for the value of x. Ilipat mo lang yan, guys. X is equal to, ito, ilipat mo yan. So, magiging negative 1 plus or minus 2. Okay? So, by using the positive, negative 1 plus 2. So, by algebra, so we have the unlike sign. Okay, tanggalin mo muna yan para hindi ka mo dito, no? So, we have the unlike sign. We have negative 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. So, pag sinabi unlike sign, isubtract mo and then choose the sign of higher number. Okay? So, isosubtract ko siya. 2 minus 1 is 1. What's the sign? So, sinong binamatas? Negative 1 or positive 2. Therefore, positive 2, that is positive 1. Okay? Hindi ko nalalagyan ng positive kasi automatic naman yun na positive. So, hindi mo siya nilagyan ng sign. Ayan. So, x is equal to 1. Check natin. Tama nga, no? Okay, now, let's now use the negative, no? So, gamitan na naman natin ang negative. So, negative 1 minus 2. Okay? Ganyan mabuti guys, ha? Like sign. Negative 1, negative 2. Parehasin na ng sign. So, by algebra, by using the rules of algebra, No? Kapag common sign yan, pag like sign, so ang gagawin mo dyan is, pag-add mo ang dalawa, then copy the common sign, no? So, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, then copy the common sign that is equal to negative 3. So, that is the value of the x. So, tama nga, negative 3, no? Okay, and x is equal to 1. So, malinaw ba guys? Okay, now, next, let us now go to factoring. Dito sa factoring guys, bakit ko papapahirapan ang sarili ko guys, no? Dito sa factoring natin. No, kasi trial and error to, pero bago yan, no? So, bago yan guys, isulat mo natin yung value dito ng x. Ilis ako dito sa ano na ito x equal to negative 3, no? So, yun yung value ng x natin, no? From the first equation. So, ngayon guys, dito guys, no? So, balik tayo dito sa first equation natin. So, ituturo ko lang sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng factors nito, no? So, x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, trial and error tayo dito sa factoring, no? So, dito sa factoring guys, ganito ang gagawin natin dyan guys. Kukuha tayo ng dalawang factors na kung saan kapag pinag-multiply mo, ang sagot ay x squared. Okay, so therefore, x. Okay, yan, lagyan mo siya ng ganyan. Ito, x, tama ba? So, kasi nga guys, x times x equal to x squared. Okay, then, the next step is, mag-isip ko ulit ng dalawang factors na kung saan kapag pinag-multiply mo, ang answer is negative 3. So, ano po yung dalawang factors na pwede kong ano? So, either negative 1 and positive 3. Okay? Negative 1 times 3, the answer is negative 3. Okay? So, ito, substitute muna siya dito guys. Pwede ko siyang gamitin sa din na x minus 1. Okay? Then, we have x plus 3. Alright. So, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos guys, no? Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. So, ngayon, ito ba guys, kapag pinag-plus mo ba ito guys, ang sagot ba is middle term? Okay, ganito ang ibig kong sabihin guys. 3 plus negative 1. Is it equal to positive 2x? Yes, equal to positive 2x. Eh, paano kung halimbawa hindi ko nakuha yan? Ang naisip ko is positive 1 and negative 3. Kunwari lang naman guys, naman. Yan. Yan ang naisip ko. Although, parehas ang magiging sagot dito kapag pinag-multiply ko ang 3 times negative 1, no? So, ito natin to guys. So, gawin kong x plus 1, tapos gawin kong x minus 3. So, 1 times negative 3, negative 3, okay nga, pareho nga, no? Pero kung pinag-add ko ba, sagot ba is positive 2y? Negative 3 plus 1, the answer is negative 2. Negative 2, hindi sila equal. Kaya ang dalawang factors na pwede natin gamitin ay ito, negative 1 nga, tapos ito ay positive 3. Okay? So, minus 1, then, ayan. So, yan yung dalawang factors natin, guys, no, na kung saan, kapag pinag-multiply natin itong dalawang binomial na ito, ang sagot ay quadratic equation ito. Okay? Okay. So, paano bang pag-multiply yan, guys? Yung ganito lang yan, guys, no? X times x, ang sagot dyan is x squared. Okay? Then, plus kaagad dyan, guys, no? Plus. Then, lagyan mo dito ng, yan, ng parenthesis. Then, inner, okay, negative 1 times x, inner, then this is the outer. Okay, so kunin mo lang ang product niya, no? Negative 1 times x, that is negative x. Tama po ba? Negative x. Then, katapos niyan, x times 3, so that is positive 3x. Okay, so this is the middle term. Alright, and the third term is negative 1 times 3, so that is negative 3. Okay, x squared plus, so negative x plus 3x, unlike terms, so ang gagawin natin dyan is isosubtract natin yan, guys, no? Isosubtract natin and then choose the sign of higher number, no? So 2x na yan, magiging 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, kung titignan nyo guys, so parehas lang dito. So yan ang tinatawag na factoring. So meron siyang kahirapan guys, no? Pag gumamit tayo ng factoring. Pero don't worry guys, kasi tuturo sa inyo yung pinaka simple at pinaka madali guys, no? Pero dito sa technique na to guys, kapag tinanong ka na solve for the value of x by factoring, ang mangyayari dito, find the factors by solving for the value of x. Parang ganun ang mangyayari. Okay, so gawin na lang natin guys, no? Tulad nito guys, halimbawa itong 3x squared. Halimbawa lang nga, no? 3x squared minus 2x. So i-collect ko na siya, no? Minus 5 is equal to 0. Ayan, halimbawa, use factoring to solve for x. Okay? So medyo may kahirapan siya guys, no? So hindi naman siya advisable na ito yung gagawin ninyo, pero kung solve nyo lang naman ito sa sarili nyo, okay, hindi kayo pinag-solve sa blackboard, okay, walang nakakakita, kayo lang naman, then you can use this technique guys, no? So bakit pa ako gagamit ng factoring? Bakit pa siya gagamitan itong factoring para makuha kong x? Pwede ko naman kunin ang value ng x para makuha ko ang factors.
Naman! Wow!
Okay. So by using the quadratic formula, so negative b plus o minus w square minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? So this is the value of x. Okay guys? Okay, what is negative b? So negative b, negative, so that is 2. Positive na, gawin mo na siyang positive, no? Plus o minus, the b squared, so negative. So negative 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times c negative 5. Okay? All over 2 times 3. Okay? So, kalba natin yan ito guys. So, dito na lang guys. No? So, 2 plus minus. So, negative 2 square 4. So, plus na naman, gawin natin plus 4 times 3, 12 times 5 is 4 times 3, 12 times 5, 60. Okay? Divided by 2 times 3, 6. Okay? So, tanggalin ko muna ito guys, ha. So, ito, tanggalin ko muna. Okay, so, punta tayo dito guys. Okay. So, x is equal to 2 plus minus. Okay, so, alam mo, 60 plus 4, 64. Divided by 6. Okay. Tanggalin ko na ito. Ayan guys, no. So, 2 plus minus. So, take the square root of 64. So, that is 8. Divided by 6. Tanggalin ko na pala ito ay. Okay, that is 8 all over 6. So by using the positive, so 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 divided by 6. So we have 10 over 6. Or kunin mo yung simple fraction niya. So by dividing it both by 2, so we have 5 over 3. So this is the first value of x. No? So by using the positive sign. So gamitan natin ang negative sign. 2 minus 8 equal to negative 6 divided by 6. That is equal to negative 1. So the values of x are 5 over 3 and x is equal to negative 1. Okay? So ngayon guys, gagamitan ko siya ng technique kasi wala namang ibang nakakalam. Ako lang naman. Kung halimbawa, hindi ko naman siya isosolve sa blackboard. Okay? So, I will solve for the value of x by factoring. So, ito lang ang gagawin ko guys, no? X is equal to 5/3, di ba? Then, dito, x is equals to negative 1. Okay, kunwari, walang nakakakita sa akin guys. So, gagamitan ko siya ng factoring. Paano ba? Ito, equate ko lang sa 0, no? Ito kasi equal to 0 yan, no? X equal to 5 over 3, no? 5 over 3. Tama? Okay, solving for the what I meant to say is gagawin kong 0 itong right side niya. No? So, itong ibig kong sabihin. So, multiplying with both side by 3. Okay, by 3. Ayan. So, magkakancel yan. Kaya magiging 3x is equal to 5. Tama ba? Okay. Then, dito guys. Then, dito magiging 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, nag-gets ba ibig kong sabihin? Okay, so ulitin natin guys, ulitin natin. Okay, so these are the value of x. X is equal to 5 over 3 and x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito guys, so kukunin ko ang factors gamit ang value ng x. So paano bang gagamitin ko? Ganito lang kayo mo dyan guys, multiply mo lang siya dyan guys. So magiging 3x. So naiwan si 5. Tama ba? Naiwan si 5. And then after nyan, equate mo ito into 0, no? Paano ko ba gagawin 0 ang right side? So ililipat ko ito dito.
Oh, ang gulo na naman, ang gulo magsalita eh. Hindi maintindihan ano ba sinabi?
So magiging 3x minus 5, okay, is equal to 0. So meaning to say, this is my first factor. Okay, then next, punta tayo sa second factor natin. So, gawin natin 0 ang right side natin. So, ito, ilipat mo lang dito, magiging plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore, mayroon ka ng x plus 1 is equal to 0 at 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then, pwede mong i-combine yan, guys. So, 3x minus 5, okay, then x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, meaning to say, these are your factors. Okay? Okay, so to check kung yan nga yung factors natin guys, to check, no? So i-check natin yan kung magpapalabas ba natin ang product na 3x squared minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So ano ba yung una natin gagawin? 3x times x, that is 3x squared. Tama po ba? So pasensya na kayo dito sa marker ko na ito guys, no? So 3x times x, that is 3x squared. Tama, no? Then, inner, multiply ko itong inner na ito. Okay, so gamit ako muna ng positive, no? Then, lagay ko dito ng close parenthesis niya, no? So, inner. So, negative 5 times x. So, that is negative 5x. Okay, then next, the outer, 3x times 1, that is positive 3x. Tama? Okay. Then, the last term is negative 5 times 1, that is negative 5, equal to 0. Okay? So, 3x squared. Alright? Okay, since that is positive, so hindi mo na kailangan palitan ang sign, no? Ng nasa loob. Okay? So, ang susundin lang natin dyan, guys, is yung like sign, then you have to subtract, then like sign, you have to add. Okay? So, like sign siya, so negative 5x, and then we have positive 3x, so like sign, isubtract natin, and then choose the sign of higher numerical coefficient. So, 5x minus 3x equal to, ay nako, ayos talaga, that is 2x. So, 5 is higher than 3, therefore, the sign is minus. Okay? Okay, then minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so 3x squared minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Are they the same, guys? So, ibig sabihin, tama nga yung factors na kinuha ko. Okay? Ayan, so hindi ka na mag-iisip ng mga factors, no? By using factoring, no? So, ang ginawa natin dito, guys, ay imbis na yung x ang isolve natin by using factoring, ang sinolve natin dito, guys, is yung x. Okay, to solve for the factors. Okay, so binaliktad lang natin siya, guys, kasi alam ko naman na ako lang naman yung nagsosolve. Bakit ko papahirapan ang sarili ko na mag-isip ng dalawang numbers, no, ng dalawang factors na kung saan mapapalabas dito yung 3x squared na, kung mapapalabas yung negative 5 plus pagpaplasin ko pa, di ba? Masyadong komplikado. So, yun yung alam ko na best way para may pakita ko sa kanila na nag-solve ako ng factors para may solve ko ang value ng x. Pero hindi nila alam, sinolve ko ang value ng x para makuha ko ang factors.
Sinasaludohan kita. Hey!
I hope may natutunan kayo, guys. And then, no, so kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel at gusto mong matutunan ang mga ganitong bagay-bagay, then huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga video na aking gagawin. So, thank you and God bless.